Alright, this is the Grizzly G0458ZX open-ended drum sander. I'm going to show you how to replace the sandpaper here. So as you can see, I let mine go a little bit too long, and it's time to replace it. So first thing is just to remove your existing one and use it to trace your replacement. This can be kind of difficult to cut with the scissors, but wasn't too difficult. Now, if you were unlucky and completely destroyed your template, the picture is right here on how to cut it. The next thing to do is to wrap it around. You take one side and you just pin it down, and then you want to make sure you get out any extra spaces. You don't want it to overlap and you don't want too much gap. So here I am tightening it down and adjusting it because the side on the very end, it didn't reach. So then I started fresh on this side, pulled it really tight, wrapped it all the way around. And this can be a little tedious and tricky sometimes to get to line up perfectly. Second time around I ended up making it work. And here I am removing some of the little air between it and making sure that it doesn't rub. And then I'm just going to go and take this piece here and tighten it back down. Once she's all good and snug, you just take the Allen wrench and tighten that back down. Once again, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, feel free to like, share, comment, or subscribe.